Here's little Aiden, lifting his head up on the changing table. Hi, Aiden. You're so big, honey. Look at how high your head is. He is so determined. Yeah? Are you having fun? Hi! He was trying to roll over a minute ago. He was just kicking to the left, trying to get her. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, it's okay. Her legs are kicking away. They're kicking away. June 24th. Okay, you're done. You're done.